This is chapter 4 lecture summary. So this week we made a list of the things we did before our bedtime, our routine, and then we kind of went through and rated how often we do certain things before bed. One of them might have been like exercise or drinking coffee or alcohol. I can't remember all of them, sorry. And then we talked about the internal model, which is the brain's interpretation of the world around us, and then the connection between our internal model and our biases, which the internal model is the idea of how it should be and what it is versus what it might actually be, which can lead us to being kind of biased. And then how our primal brain and frontal cortex use the IM. I can't quite remember. Sorry, it's been a long day. We kind of talked about like primal brain being like ways to survive, and then lobe or frontal cortex is talking about like our emotions, and I guess we can use our internal model and then the primal brain and the frontal cortex to make decisions. Kind of what keeps us alive and like alerts us of dangers and like kind of our decision making. And then the difference between the potential conflict between the primal brain and the frontal cortex, I would have to say if like one's based off of emotion and one's based off of instinct, like we might make a bad call based off of emotions. I'm trying to think of an example without like in a relationship, sometimes you make bad decisions based off of emotion instead of thinking it through and like being smart about it, you know. And then we just kind of talked about like the effect that our decisions have on us. So yeah.